Section D is literature, prose, and poetry. We have to translate any two of the following passages. So I have taken passage number 1. Sa'idat usratu ammi Shakilin liru'yatihim. The family of Shakil's uncle got happy to see them. Qadima Shakilun Hamidan. Shakil brought Hamid لأسرة عمه to the family of his uncle بأنه صديقه because he is his friend. جاء لمشاهدة مدينة Mumbai. He came to see Bombay City. بعد الزواج after the wedding. في يوم one day أرسل عم شكيل الولدين مع عامل في مكتبه ليريهما المدينة ومدينة الأفلام. After the wedding, one day Shakil's uncle sent both the boys with a worker in his office so he can show them the city and the film city and the city of films. The city means the Bombay and the Medina, the city of the films. وفي مدينة الأفلام and in the film city تيسر للولدين أن يقابلا بعض من الشخصيات السينمائية. And in the film city, it has become easier for both the boys that they met a few of the cinema people, cinema shakhsiyat, personalities. Okay? في المساء in the evening عاد الإثنان إلى البيت. Both of them returned to the home. ورؤيا مشاهداتهما للجميع. ورويا مشاهداتهما للجميع. And they presented their observation in front of all. بعد ذلك after that بيومين after that for 2 days means after approximately 2 days رجع شكيل مع أسرته. Shakil returned with his family وحميد and with Hamid. So we will say together إلى دهلي to Delhi. Shakil with his family and Hamid returned to Delhi. So this is passage number 1. Translation of passage number 2 is كلم محمد ناظر المدرسة. Muhammad talked to the supervisor of the school على التلفون on the telephone الذي قبل هذه الزيارة before this meeting وحدد and he appointed يوم الجمعة the Friday للزيارة for visiting. في يوم الجمعة on Friday ذهب محمد وعادل. Muhammad and Adil went إلى المدرسة to the school في الساعة 10 o'clock صباحا in the morning. So on Friday Muhammad and Adil went to the school at 10 o'clock in the morning. هما وصلا المدرسة في الوقت المحدد. They both reached the school at the appointed time. ووجد الناظر في انتظارهما في مكتبه and the supervisor Vujida, we will read it as Vujida, and the supervisor was found in their waiting in his office. قدم محمد عادلا. Muhammad welcomed Adil للناظري in front of the supervisor قائلا by saying هذا صديقي عادل من مصر. This is my friend Adil from Egypt. فقال الناظر, the supervisor said أهلا وسهلا بالضيف الكريم. Very much welcome. You are welcome, O generous guest, Sayyidi, honored. قبل الشروع في جولة المدرسة, before starting the round of the school, أود, I will make sure, أن أعرف, that I will introduce, بسيادتك, you, بزميلتي زينب, my colleague Zainab, في مدرسة اللغة العربية, in Arabic Language School. Question number 11 is you have to read this following passage and you have to answer the following questions. Okay, easily you can read the paragraph and also by the understanding of grammar you can choose the correct answer. So, number 1, Inna tilmizat muwazibat wa wasalna. We will check in the paragraph. No, yasilna is there. So, we will take yasilna. Okay, because they are choosing fi'al mudara. So we will take yasilna. Question number 2, hunna yahtarimna. Yahtarimna. You can see here in the passage. Muallimatihinna wa mudiratihinna. So in fi'al mudara it will become yasilna, yahtarimna. Point number 3, tudarrisul muallimat wa yaktubna ad-durusa ala sabura. We will check once again from the paragraph also. Yes, yaktubna is there. You can see here. Wafil madrasati maidan wasi'. Because maidan is muzakkar, so definitely wasi' will be there. You can see here. If any muannas word is there, then definitely we will use ta marbuta wordings. But here is a muzakkar, so sifat will be muzakkar. At-tilmizat yal'abna. Again we will take fi'al mudara for muannas. Yal'abna. You can see here in the passage. And this is your correct answer. Now you can see, attempt any 4 questions by fill in the blanks with suitable words given in the brackets. So it came in the chapter Nabil Yusafir ila Madinati Chennai. Here one day, Fis Sabah. It was in the chapter Fis Sabah. Okay, in the morning he went to buy the tickets. Nabil موظف كبير في مكتب من المكاتب الخصوصية في نيو دهلي. Nabil is a big worker, is a big employee in one of the private offices in New Delhi. أنا موافق معك هو كسلان. I agree with you that he is lazy. It came from the chapter. في ضوء الدرس مكتبة المدرسة. Now you have to pick the answers in the light of the chapter, the library of the school. هي من أكبر المدارس في المدينة. It is one of the biggest schools in the city. وهي واقعة في وسط المدينة. And it is situated or located in the middle of the city. Now you have to read the following passage and fill in the blanks with appropriate words given in the brackets. You have to pick your answers from the passage. كان على شكيل أن يسافر مع أسرته. I have underlined here. Okay? Shakil actually had traveled to Bombay with his family. لماذا لا تقدم معي إلى Mumbai. Man qala haza. Who said, why don't you come with me to Bombay? So who said? Shakil to Hamid. Shakil said to Hamid. Because it is the scenario about Shakil. Faqala, this is the scenario about Shakil. And he said to his friend Hamid. So we will pick the answer. Qala Shakil li Hamid. Shakil said to Hamid. Third, نحضر الزواج ويكون لدينا. I will show you here. ويكون لدينا. You have to pick your answer from the passage. اكتب واحد الكلمة أبطال. You have to write singular for the word أبطال. So that is batal. Now you can see this poem. You have to explain any 4 of the following verses. So first, We will understand the translation so you can understand the explanation also and you can write by yourself. Ahda ila Sayyidi qalaman rashiqam min Deccan. My master gifted me a graceful pen from Deccan. Deccan is south, okay? So, this poem is actually in the appreciation of a beautiful gift from the poet's master. Over here means you can say teacher or mentor. The teacher has gifted him a beautiful pen which he had brought from the southern part of India, most likely. And the poet liked the pen very much, and he wrote this poem in the appreciation of the gift, not only in the appreciation but also by mentioning the qualities of a pen. Okay. Second line, أغلى من اللؤلؤ وأرشق من القد الحسن. More precious than pearls and corals, lulu, pearls, and وأرشق من القد الحسن, and more gracious than beautiful appearance. Means this pen is very much near and dear to me and very much appreciated to me. هو خير ما يهدى إلى من يبتغي الذكر الحسن. It is the best gift for anyone who seeks a good reputation. Means not everyone likes these type of gifts, but the people who really appreciates the value, honor, and dignity, they like these type of gifts. Okay. يا حبذا تلك العلا من ماجد حبر الزمن. What a noble gift. Like in English we say, Ya hubbaza, it is a kind of exclamation. What a kind of noble gift. It came from a generous man experienced in life. Hubur zaman. He had a experience, he had vast experience in the life. Okay? So you can explain little bit with the translation. Now you can see 15th question. Write the central idea of any one of the following poems. Osfurul Jannah. I think in the previous sample paper I have explained you this one. You can check. Osfurul Jannah is an imaginary situation where the poet is uh, comparing his own situation with the Usfurul Jannah, like they both are free birds and they both want to give the message of the freedom, nobleness, and dignity. You can check from my previous sample paper. And if you want to pick any other one, then inshallah I will tell you in the next sample paper.